Congratulations! You have just purchased or have just been given the latest in micro-retro technology. This tutorial is to help you get started. We will not be showing you how to steal a movie. You wouldn't steal a horse. This tutorial will teach you how to optimize any video content into the perfect My Mini Retro television experience. For this tutorial, all you will need to download is HandBrake. Absolutely free, this method works for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Just go to HandBrake.FR to get exactly what you need. That's HandBrake.FR. Now that you have HandBrake, it's time to put the pedal to the metal and get your file conversion going. First, drag and drop or select your movie file. Second, click on the Dimensions tab. Click on Resolution and set it to Custom. For maximum size, type 1280 by 544. Set Anamorphic to None. Uncheckmark the box next to Optimal Size and checkmark Allow Upscaling. Uncheck Automatic in the final dimensions. Make sure the scaled size is also set to 1280 by 544. Giving you the perfect aspect ratio of 2.35 to 1. Now, you may hit Start Encode. Or, if you want to see your movie in good old-fashioned black and white, click the Filters tab. Go down to Denoise and set it to HQDN3D. Set the preset to Light. Finally, at the bottom put a checkmark next to Grayscale. Then start the encode. This process may take a while, as your movie is now being rendered in a whole new format. Once the file is finished, simply turn on your My Mini Retro television and plug it into your computer using the double-ended A-to-A USB cable. Drag and drop your file. And there you have it, your brand new classic right at your fingertips. Enjoy the thrill.